travel along the Niagara Parkway towards Niagara-on-the-Lake to visit the famous Floral Clock, located north of the Botanical Gardens. The planted phase of the Floral Clock is maintained by Niagara Parks horticulture staff, while the mechanism is inside is kept in working order by Ontario Power Generation. The tower at the back of the clock houses Westminster chimes that greet each quarter hour. This unique floral clock is the largest of its kind, 6.2 for 10 km from the falls, beautifully maintained by the Niagara Parks Commission. The planted phase is maintained by Niagara Parks horticulture staff, while the mechanism is kept in working order by Ontario Hydro, the organization that originally built the clock.
The floral design is changed twice each year. It features viola in the spring and 4 cultivars of alternanthera, along with green and gray forms of Santolina sage during the summer and fall. California golden privet and blue festica grass may be used for contrast. An attractive feature is a 10-foot wide water garden that curves 85 feet around the base of the timepiece. It is a popular place to make a wish.
The intricate designs on the face of the floral clock are created with up to 16,000 carpet beddings planned and are changed twice each year.